the Research Product Development Unit. This is a huge plunge that Dawood University has taken.
Okay.
And I think no university has does it so far. Whatever they have in their own premises. They had their business incubations, just for the namesake, I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend anybody, but to my belief, how can you come to buy something or to get repair something under the board of university? You will not even stop if you have a problem.
Yeah.
Because you would say, it's an institution, what can they do for me? You will, take your broken car away from my reach, and you will find some mechanic and he'll fix it for you, maybe on double price. So how can I sell myself as an entrepreneur, or my product can be sold being Dawood University? I have to take it outside. I have to put them in the chest of the business hub, which is now Silicon Valley, NASDAQ. So they have no opportunities. They have an address. If I write, okay, fine, I'm selling, because coffee is an engineering product also. You have to have so much processing behind that coffee bean. So if somebody's saying, like, I need to buy a nice coffee, and I say, come to Dawood University, then are you crazy? So obviously I have to give him some address which reflects some business entity. So this is what we have done. We are spending money on our students. We are paying good amount of rent for that space. You can go and find it out. And we are even training them to protect their intellectual properties, IPO registrations, SECP registrations, their punchline registration. So they should be protected by all means. So what I see in long run, if this model works successfully, so it's an equity-based model. And these startups, if they flourish, and which I pray that they should flourish, they should sometime I can see as a unicorns of Pakistan maybe. So it will come back to university some way or the other, because the equity is there, 30% or maybe 20%. So they will have to pay a university back out of their profits, not the revenue. It's a different term. So if university can get back 20% of those unicorns, so I think we don't have to look to the government of Sindh to fund us and make our operations. So this is just a out-of-box revenue generation engine.